In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Logitech keyboard G213. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Logitech keyboard. You will be able to download the official software from the Logitech website to customize things like the RGB, the macros, the assignments to each button, and so on. You will be able to customize all of the function keys, customize the lighting, and everything will be saved as a profile to your keyboard. So to start, download the official software. You can find it on the official Logitech website. So go to logitechg.com, hover over software, and you will find the G Hub. Or you can simply look for it on Google. In here, download the G Hub for Windows or Mac OS. And of course, ensure that your keyboard is properly connected to your device. As long as you open the software, as when the keyboard or any other device is connected to your PC, your laptop, and such, it is going to automatically appear on the G Hub software. Now, sadly, I don't have the G213 specifically, so I'm going to use my 502 as an example. But as you can see, it will appear on the software, and you will be able to customize things like the assignments, the lighting, and so on. Here's an example of how it looks for the G213. You will have plenty of options at the left, so each of these is going to be a specific category, and you can control things like commands, key actions, system options, and macros. You can drag these actions here to each of the keys available, and if you go into the lighting option, you will be able to customize the RGB, how it interacts with certain applications, so you can make profiles that are applied at all times, or you can make profiles for specific games and customize it however you prefer. Everything will be saved, so as soon as you set up the profile once, you don't have to repeat it every single subsequent time. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize Logitech keyboard G213. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.